Sometimes you may post some things in your Instagram profile. If you want to share that post directly to Threads, you can do that. For that, you don't need to go to Threads application separately and post it there. You can directly do it from Instagram only. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do this. For this, first what we need to do is open your Instagram application. After that, down here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, you will reach your profile. In your profile, down here you can see one plus button. Either you can click on this plus button or above you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you're clicking on that, you can see some options. If you want to post reels, click on reels, or if you want to post photos, just click on post option. For example, I'm clicking on post. When you're clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the photo or video which you want to post. For example, I want to post this photo. So I'm selecting this photo. After that, click on this next button. After that, if you want to add music, you can do that, or if you want to edit, you can do that also. Anyways, after everything is complete, above you can see next button. Click on this next button. When you're clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here, if you want to add caption or add location or tag anyone, you can do that. Anyways, after that, scroll down. Down here you can see one option, share to Threads option. If you want to share this post to Threads profile also, you can turn this on. After that, this post will be shared automatically to Threads application. You don't need to go there and post it separately. Anyways, I am clicking on share button. When you are clicking on that, this photo will be posted to your Instagram profile. Now here you can see that photo. After that, I am opening my Threads application and refreshing this page. When you are refreshing, you can see that post here. So this way you can easily share your Instagram post to Threads profile directly. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.